If you're looking for a simple way to crop pages in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat 2025, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to trim away unwanted margins or areas on your PDF, cleaning up your documents for presentations, printing, or just better readability. Let's jump right in and walk through each step together. First, open your PDF with Adobe Acrobat 2025 and head to the Tools menu. Now, you might notice there's a lot going on here, but don't let that overwhelm you. The Tools menu is a hub for all the powerful functions Acrobat offers. And for cropping, we want to find Edit PDF. Look for that option in your list of tools. Sometimes it's right up front, sometimes you'll need to scroll or search for it, but once you click it, you'll unlock a secondary toolbar with all kinds of editing options. From this new toolbar, find and select Crop Pages. This tool is your gateway to reshaping your PDF pages exactly how you want them. Think of it like trimming the edges off a photograph. Maybe you want to focus on a specific part of a chart or get rid of unnecessary white space for a cleaner look. Once you select Crop Pages, your cursor will change and you're ready to draw a rectangle over the part of the page that you want to keep. Click, hold, and drag your mouse to outline this area. Don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect. It's totally normal to want to fine-tune. Acrobat gives you the flexibility to grab the handles on the corners of your rectangle and adjust until you get it just right. Take your time with this. The goal is to select only what you really need. When you're happy with the cropping rectangle, double-click inside it. This brings up the Set Page Boxes dialog box, which is where you get full control over the final crop. Here, you can manually enter exact numbers for your crop margins. Let's say you want every page to have a half-inch margin all the way around. Just type those values in and Acrobat will handle the details. If you're cropping just one page, you're set. But if you need the same crop across multiple pages, like a whole report with identical borders, look for the Page Range section. This lets you extend the crop to as many or as few pages as you need, so you're not stuck repeating the process over and over. Once everything looks good, hit OK to apply the crop. Acrobat will process your request. This might take a few seconds, especially if you're cropping a big document, so just hang tight. You'll see your pages instantly update to reflect the new, cleaner layout. And finally, make sure to save your work. Go to File and select Save As. This step is key because it preserves your original PDF and creates a fresh cropped version, perfect if you ever need to return to your unedited copy down the road. That's all there is to it. With just a few steps, you're able to crop PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat 2025, making your documents sharper, more focused, and ready to share. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share how you use cropping in your workflow, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.